And then this Sangat, in those days there was not a lot of Sangat, but she was actually a social friend. And she just said, you know, my Guruji's here from Punjab. Why don't you go and visit him? I'll take you. So my words were, she's Bambi Auntie, as many of you will know. And I'm thankful to her today that she pushed me, literally, because I said, I'm done and dusted. I'll never go again. I don't want to. I'm not interested. So she said, listen, I've taken many of my friends, but none of them have gone back. Maybe you're just one of them. There's no harm in taking blessings. You look very distressed. And when I went, she said, go with an open mind, open heart. I did the exact opposite, just to oblige her. Went with a closed mind, closed heart. I thought, let me just get this over and done with, so to speak. As I walked into Chota Mandir, it was 6 o'clock in the evening, Thursday. No Sangat at that point, because obviously she must have rang Guruji and said, I'm getting someone. There was no Sangat, no flowers around him at all, no incense stick burning. But when I walked in, there was nothing but an infusion of rose fragrance. So when I bowed to him, I just knew, for the first time in my life, and maybe many lives, that my search is over. This is it. This is my home. My search, my seeking of many lifetimes has found its destination. So as I bowed, he just said, "Tu roz aaya kar. Tu roz aana aur roz langar karna." He knew my suffering was beyond what the cosmetic. Psychologically, physiologically, I was suffering. So he said, "Tu roz aaya kar." He gave me chai prasad, sent me home. Following day, I came, had langar. Then came changing season while I was sitting with him, round October in Delhi. And as I was sitting with him, my asthma triggered. So I said, "Guruji, mujhe saans nahi aa raha." I was turning black and blue. I said, "Mujhe steroid injections chahiye." He looked at the langar and he said, "Ayu tere steroids hai. Chup karke kha le." So I said, "Guruji, mujhe saans nahi aa raha." And again, I was arguing with him verbally and just insisting that I leave. I said, "Guruji, steroid injection लूँगी, ठीक हो जाऊँगी. तू अगर कल्याण कराना है और तू ठीक होना है, तो ऐयू तेरे स्टेरॉइड से चुप करके खा ले. और जब पार जूती उतार दिए, अंदर आन वास्ते, उठे इब्सन बट्स अपने छट के आया करो और अपने ईगो खाली आया करो, फिर देखो रब दी मेहर." I ate forcefully, and as I bowed to take Agya, I just said telepathically, "I'm not coming here again." To which he verbally responded, "Kal aa jaye. Tera asthma ठीक किता? Cha kalyan hoya ऐश कर." He always said kalyan hoya ऐश कर, because that was his greatest blessing, to see all his people, all his children happy. So he just said, "Cha ऐश कर, kalyan kita." So again, in my small mind, I just said telepathically, "I'm going to go straight to hospital from here." And as I was leaving, he said, "Hun hospital na jaye. Ho gaya kalyan." I thought, you know, it's a coincidence, he can read my thought. I left, and as I left the darbar, I realized I can breathe. And that was the last of my asthma attack, and the last visit to hospital for asthma. And as many of you will know, maybe not hopefully, but people who have asthma, it's a crippling condition, and it really takes over your life, it takes over your happiness. You're constantly taking a puffs, or you're in hospital. It just takes over. It just becomes a way of life. Not being able to do things, not being able to do what other people do. From childhood, wasn't able to, you know, play netball in England as we have it, or rounders, nothing. I was not allowed to participate. Plus with the hole in the heart. So ye pehla kalyan tha Guruji ka. And then many months later, again he calls me from the Sangat, and he says, "Nita tenu nimbu di tarah nichode, tu shraddha mein pass ho gayi, जा तेरा स्किन कैंसर ठीक किता." Then the next thing he says, "तू बाथरूम की बत्ती ना बंद किता कर, बाथरूम जान तो पहले आईने को ना डरया कर." So I looked at him astonished. I thought, how does he know I switch off the bathroom light? This is something so personal. So I looked at him and he said, "हैरान क्यों हो रही है? सस्ते विच रब मिल गया ना, ते ना बैठ भी जांदा है, गल्ला भी कर लेंदा, खा भी लेंदा, तो पता ही नहीं मैं कौन है." ਜਦੋਂ ਲਾਈਨ ਹੀ ਲੱਗ ਜਾਣੀ ਨਾ ਵੱਡੇ ਮੰਦਰ, ਫਿਰ ਸਮਝ ਆਏਗੀ ਕਿ ਰੱਬ ਆਇਆ ਸੀ, ਪਰ ਰੱਬ ਦੀ ਕਦਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਈ. ਜੋ ਮੈਂ ਦੇਣ ਆਇਆ ਉਹ ਕੋਈ ਨਹੀਂ ਲੈਂਦਾ. And I just looked at him. I thought in my arrogant head, मैं तो रोज आती हूँ, रोज लंगर करती हूँ, तो फिर मैंने क्या नहीं किया जो करना चाहिए. So he just said कि जो मैं देना आया वो कोई लेंदा नहीं, तो कोई असली चीज़ नहीं मांगता. तो this continued in my head कि असली चीज़ क्या है, क्या मांगना चाहिए रब से. तो एक दिन कहते मैं बैठा तो लोग मेरे को शॉपिंग लिस्ट लेंदे ने, समझते ने कि मैं दुकान खुली हुई है. कदी कि मैंने नवी गड्डी दे दो, नवी वोटी दे दो, कदी कुछ दे दो, नवा नवा नवा. He said, तो then I said गुरुजी क्या मांगना चाहिए. कहते मनो मंगो नहीं. That was his first. मनो मंगो नहीं, बिकॉज आप जब मांगते हो आप अपनी मांग छोटी कर लेते हो. कोई साइकिल मांग रहे हो सकते मैंने उसको BMW देनी हो, तो that's just an analogy. पर हम छोटी चीज़ में ही फंस जाते हैं. He said आपको दीवार तक नजर आता है, मैंने तो बहुत आगे तक नजर आता है ना. With our myopic vision, we ask for what we ask for. But he has this infinite vision, of course. So with that infinite vision, he knows what's right for us, what's wrong for us. So he does not necessarily fulfill all our wants, but he gives us what we need. Because our wants are endless. We're all creatures of desires, all are creatures of wants. And then he said, after he healed me, my skin became absolutely clear as day. So he said, मैं तेनू नवी जिंदगी देती है, सिर्फ नवी स्किन नहीं देती. तो पिछले साल एस्ट्रोलॉजी को गई सी. I said, हाँ जी गुरुजी गई थी. So of course I went. I survived that asthma attack, and I just wanted to consult about my health. I went and he said, आपकी तो कोई पथरी नहीं है December 97 के बाद. फिर गुरुजी ने कहा, फिर उन्हें की किया, पथरी नहीं सी ना तेरी 97 के बाद. He said, फिर दस कौन वड्डा, तेरा गुरु या तेरा एस्ट्रोलॉजर? कौन नवी जिंदगी दे सकता है सवाए रब दे. ते मैं तेनू नवी जिंदगी देती है. तेरे हत्था दे लकीरा, तेरे मत्थे दे लकीरा, तेरे स्टार्स बदलते हैं. तेन तो पता ही नहीं मैं की देना, तू तो मैंने देनिया ही नहीं दे सकती. So then life continued, and as we all know, each one of us here has their own connection, soul to soul, one-to-one connection with Guruji. No one is a mediator. Guruji ने सिर्फ सिखाया कि खड़े होके सत्संग सुनाओ. जो सुनान वाले दा सुनांदा ओदी भी मैं, सुनन वाला ओदी भी मैं. और उसमें मेरी शायद ब्लेसिंग्स में आपको अपनी ब्लेसिंग दिखे, या मेरी स्टोरी में अपनी स्टोरी दिखे. बिकॉज इट्स अ कॉमनैलिटी. वी ऑल हैव कॉमन सफरिंग, कॉमन इश्यूज. तो मेरी चलती रही. एंड वन डे आई सैट विद गुरुजी. वो अपने दरबार में बैठे थे, प्राइवेट जो रूम होता था उनका छोटे मंदिर में. तो मैं आ गई जल्दी. हम सबको लालच होता है ब्लेसिंग्स के लिए, तो मैं जल्दी चले गई. कहते थे 7 बजे आया करो, मैं 5 बजे पहुंच गई. बट बिकॉज ही वाज सो कंपैशनेट, ही अलाउड मी इनटू हिज रूम. एंड वहाँ एक लेडी बैठी थी, बहुत खूबसूरत, पाकिस्तान से थी. एंड इट वाज जस्ट हिम सिटिंग ऑन हिज दरबार गद्दी, एंड इट वाज दैट वुमन प्रेसिंग हिज फीट. एंड देन आई केम इन. And when I came in, now in the afternoon, a lady had come home, a friend of mine actually, and she just had chai, and she kept the jhutha in front of Guruji's saroop. So I just reacted and I said, Guruji ke samne jhutha nahi rakhte. And the story finished. I mean, she thought I was overreacting because she thought, what's the big deal? It's just a photo. I said, no, this is my Guruji. Don't keep the jhutha there. So in the evening when I came, there was pin drop silence, and in my head I kept thinking, what a beautiful woman. What a beautiful glow she has. I wish I had a glow. बस ये डायलॉग चलता रहा. गुरुजी पे ध्यान ही नहीं था बिल्कुल मेरा. मैंने मत्था टेका, 2 मिनट बैठ गई. जब बैठी तो वो ध्यान सारा वो लेडी पे था. There was pin drop silence. Now, what happened? Guruji was smiling throughout this because naturally you could hear the dialogue in my head. And I was not paying any attention to Guruji. 2 मिनट बाद गुरुजी कहते, नीता चाय प्रसाद मंगवावा? Looking at the lady, I said, हाँ जी गुरुजी. फिर गुरुजी पे ध्यान नहीं. And that woman was pressing Guruji's feet. And then the chai prasad came, and she drank, and she kept the jhutha in front of Guruji. Inadvertently, of course, she didn't know. She came from the first time from Pakistan. So she didn't know the protocol. So she just kept it next to Guruji's charan. So then my thought, from what a beautiful woman to what a shameless woman. And then I closed my eyes. I said, now I'm not going to look at her. Guruji suddenly broke the silence, smiling even broader. And then he says, Nita, enu samjha. गुरुआं दे सामने झूठा नहीं रखेदा, फिर तेरी ग्लो दे बारे गल करना, तेनू ग्लो चाहिए है. And I looked at him and I was sheepish and I thought, oh my God, sorry, whatever. And I said, Guruji, he said, glow चाहिए, असली चीज़ उन मंगला है. रब को लो रब मंगला है, glow ही glow है. So that was the answer which I kept asking for many months कि क्या असली चीज़ होती है, क्या रब से मांगना चाहिए. कहते रब को लो रब मंगला है, glow ही glow है. One day I said, Guruji, ये लेडी की में कितना फेथ है ना. कहते कमली कितनी छोटी चीज़ है फेथ. फेथ तो कुछ भी नहीं होता. तो इत्थों निकलेंगे तेनू फेथ नहीं है तो कार पहुंच जाएंगे. तो छोटी चीज़ होती है. सरेंडर कर जाओ. So again in my head, what is surrender? Such a big word with a huge meaning. Surrender क्या होता है? So there's a bridge between this faith and then the surrender. There's a bridge that we all have to climb. We're all on our own stage. किस क्लास में कौन है वो तो गुरुजी जानते हैं, पर हम सबको मेहनत तो करनी है वहाँ पहुँचने के लिए. तो गुरुजी ने कहा तुसी मैनू दे की सकते हो, for the ocean of blessings that I give you, you can just give me that drop of goodness. Live a life well lived, a good life. Be a good human being. And when it says surrender, unblock all your, doubts and I think all of us go through this. When things are not working out fine, we all say, Guruji hai, Guruji sun rahe hai. So that doubt is what we need to dissolve. And we really, when we come to Guruji, जब हम गुरुजी को भाव करते हैं, we need to say, Guruji अपने चरणों में रखो एक तो, और take over. I don't know what's best for me, and I still don't as I stand before you. I really don't. So I just say, Guruji, you take over. You know best for me, my children, my friends. Sarbada bala. ये जर्नी जो है selfish जर्नी नहीं है, ये selfless जर्नी है, in which गुरुजी का specifically कुछ नहीं मांगते किसी का blessing, पर कल्याण तो मांग सकते हो ना कि गुरुजी सबका कल्याण करना, सर्वदा भला होए. तो उसमें आप भी तो आगे, और ध्यान सिर्फ गुरुजी पे रखना है. When you really focus just on the sun, on the sunshine, the shadows will fall behind you. So just focus. इधर उधर नहीं. Like गुरुजी से संगत बहुत बच जानी है, और वो गुरबानी में ही आता है. 4 तरह के लोग आते हैं, सुंगा डूंगा चुंगा उंगा. So I find that the most humorous, because he used to really make us listen कि कौन सुंग रहा है, कौन आया है, क्या पहना है, So be that dunga where you really go into the depth of your life, because in the end Guruji said, मैं तुहाडे अंदर दे गुरु नू जगाना आया. I have come to awaken the divinity within you that lies within each one of us without fail. We are all specks of his light. We are all specks. So keep it bright by doing उनके वचन, उनकी वाणी को फॉलो करके. ABC बोलते थे, सिंपल लैंग्वेज में बोल देते थे. ABC, किसी को अक्यूज नहीं करो, किसी को ब्लेम नहीं करो, किसी को क्रिटिसाइज ना करो. He taught us how to live to be a good human being. किसी को जज ना करो. एक दिन मैंने किसी की निंदा कर दी, कहते सानू की असी की लेना देना, तू अपनी जर्नी देखना, तू मेरे ते ध्यान रखा कर. Therefore in those days we weren't even allowed to look at each other. We used to come, close our eyes and just focus on the Gurbani. One day in my restless head I couldn't understand, so I was thinking my own story. तो गुरुजी कहते तो सोचनी बड़ा है, गुरबानी नहीं सुनती. मैं कहा गुरुजी मुझे समझ नहीं आती. I wasn't grown with this शब्द गुरबानी. ऐसे गुरुजी मुझे बिल्कुल नहीं समझ आती. कहते तेनू समझनो किसने किया है, तो सुनिया कर, ऐसा ऐसा रब दी गल समझ आती है. As life unfolds, you start understanding what he means, what the Gurbani means, and उनकी मेहर हो तो वैसे सब कुछ समझ आ जाता है. So that's his grace. His grace is bigger than our thoughts. His grace is bigger than our problems. अपनी problems को मत बताओ, अपनी रब को मत बताओ कि आपकी problems कितनी बड़ी है. अपनी problems को बताओ कि आपका रब कितना बड़ा है. He is huge. He is not a guru. He came